This month marks the height of graduation season, not just for our own Kettering College, but many other high schools and universities. While the COVID-19 pandemic has prevented us from having traditional graduation celebrations, the accomplishments these milestones represent are still worthy of recognition. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate all of our graduates for the years of work and dedication. Your effort represents a major milestone in your life. Recognizing all of your accomplishments makes me hopeful for our future. Congratulations to each of you. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Kettering Health Network has closely followed the guidelines provided by the Ohio Department of Health, Centers for Disease Control, and the Greater Dayton Area Hospital Association. As we transition into the next phase, we encourage all employees and providers to continue practicing social distancing, avoid large crowds, maintain strict hand hygiene practices, and wear face masks. This is critical to restore public confidence in hospital safety. Many are hesitant to see their physician or go to a hospital to receive care. Most elective procedures can only be postponed for so long, and many people are avoiding hospitals for emergent needs. This is leading to tragic situations. Our Clinical Recovery Task Force has developed a coordinated plan to reopen services. An important emphasis for the task force is to ensure that measures are in place which create a safe environment for our patients, families, and staff. When Governor DeWine announced the Responsible Restart Ohio plan, we introduced enhancements in cleaning and focused our messaging. We have increased the frequency of disinfecting, focusing on high-touch surfaces. We introduced Clorox, electrostatic spraying in public areas and patient rooms. We started using a product which disinfects high-touch surfaces in just 1 minute. We are now testing surgical patients receiving general anesthesia for COVID-19. We are continuing to screen all visitors and employees at all facilities. Our social media messaging is focused on communicating safety, specifically for key services like surgery and maternity. We're displaying signage to create awareness of safety first throughout our facilities. In anticipation of Governor DeWine's order lifting restrictions on elective inpatient procedures, safety remains our top priority. Kettering Health Network's 5 values of being: trustworthy, innovative, caring, competent, collaborative have always guided our actions, including the policies we have implemented during COVID-19. As our communities continue to recover, all these values are important. Today, I want to pay special attention to trustworthy and caring. In Matthew 5, we read the opening of the Sermon on the Mount. Jesus' first public sermon includes timely wisdom that is just as applicable today as it was 2,000 years ago. In verse 13, he calls us the salt of the earth, and in verse 14, he calls us the light of the world. Verse 16 challenges us to let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Letting our light shine, we will show ourselves trustworthy and caring by making our facilities a safe place for everyone who walks through our doors. Today's video marks the final in the series we begin as our organization responded to the COVID-19 crisis. I look forward to ongoing and regular communication with you as we continue on the path to recovery. I want to speak from my heart and express the profound gratitude I feel towards all of you. Thank you. Your dedication, courage, talent, and commitment has gotten us to this side of the pandemic. With amazing speed, agility, and wisdom, we responded to the threatening challenges that were at our door. For the foreseeable future, the challenges that COVID-19 presented will be evident in almost every aspect of our lives. But we are going to build upon the focused resolve that was so clearly seen throughout our organization. Throughout this time, I've had you in mind, knowing how much each of you has been contributing to our sacred mission. I have also been thinking of our community and how much our patients trust us to care for their health and well-being. As we move forward, I want to assure you of 2 things. First, our commitment to the safety of our workforce will continue to be in the forefront of how we will move forward. Second, our future now depends more than ever on our readiness and willingness to adapt and engage the challenges that we face. One of the early founders of Adventist healthcare offered this wise counsel that rings true today. We have nothing to fear for the future, except we shall forget the way the Lord has led us in our past history. Together, we will work toward a bright future that is and always will be rooted in our mission. Thank you for your continued leadership during this critical time. God bless you and your families.